Welcome to this video where we will be discussing Chat GPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will take a look at what Chat GPT is, its capabilities, and how it's being used today. We will also explore the potential future applications of Chat GPT and the ethical considerations surrounding its use. Chat GPT, or Conversational Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a state-of-the-art language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text data. This allows it to understand and generate human language in a way that is similar to how a human would. It's a continuation of the GPT models, but this time it's focused on conversational AI. ChatGPT has a wide range of capabilities, including chatbots. One of the most common uses of ChatGPT is in the development of chatbots. ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to human language makes it an ideal tool for creating chatbots that can hold conversations with users in a human-like manner. Language translation. ChatGPT can also be used for language translation tasks. The model's ability to understand the meaning and context of a sentence makes it well-suited for translating text from one language to another. Text completion. Another common use of ChatGPT is in text completion tasks. The model's ability to generate human-like text makes it useful for completing sentences or paragraphs that are missing some information. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be used to summarize a large amount of text data. It can extract the main points and generate a short summary of it. Question answering. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to answer questions. It can understand the intent behind the question and generate an accurate answer. Text generation. ChatGPT can generate text based on a given prompt or context. It can be used for text generation tasks such as writing stories, poetry, and even code. ChatGPT is currently being used in a variety of ways by companies such as OpenAI, Hugging Face, Replica, Copy.ai, and Grammarly, to name a few. These companies are using ChatGPT to improve their customer service, language translation, text completion, and much more. The capabilities of ChatGPT are continually evolving, and researchers are working on adding multimodal capabilities, such as image and voice recognition. ChatGPT can also be integrated with other industries, such as healthcare, education, and transportation. With its ability to understand human language, it can be used to analyze medical records, assist doctors and researchers, and generate personalized treatment plans for patients based on their medical history. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing, it does have certain limitations, such as its reliance on large amounts of data and potential for bias. Additionally, there are ethical considerations surrounding the use of ChatGPT, such as privacy concerns and the impact on job displacement. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing that has a wide range of capabilities and potential applications. From chatbots and language translation to text completion and text summarization, ChatGPT is being used by companies and organizations across a variety of industries to improve their products and services. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it does have certain limitations and ethical considerations that must be taken into account. As the capabilities of ChatGPT continue to evolve and improve, it's important to stay informed and stay up to date on the latest developments in the field. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative, and we encourage you to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT for yourself.